Welcome to IQ Splash! Here you can guess the words in just 10 seconds, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Let's play!
Here's your first question. Can you guess the word? The answer is rain boots. What word do these emojis suggest? It's astronaut. Can you guess this word? The answer is bee leaf, combining the clues for a bee and a leaf. What word can you make? Surfer, a person who rides waves on a surfboard. Can you guess the word? It's polar bear. What word do these clues represent? The answer is painter. Can you guess this word? Race car, a car specially designed for high-speed racing. What word can you guess? The answer is beehive. Can you guess the word? It's lighthouse. What word do these emojis describe? Desert, a dry region that usually receives very little rainfall. Can you guess this word? That's the word is cowboy. What word can you make from these clues? A moonwalker, a person who walks on the moon. Can you guess the word? It's a dentist. What word do these emojis suggest? The answer is rock star, a famous or talented performer in rock music. Can you guess this word? It's seashell. What word can you guess? Witch, a magical character. Can you guess this word? Teacher, a person who helps students learn and understand new things. What word do these emojis represent? It's a bedroom. What word can you guess? Study. What word can you make? The answer is Christmas gift.
Thanks for watching this quiz. If you want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.